Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing a quick beginner-friendly video on how to wet block a knitted item. Everything in this video applies to both knit and crochet projects. This is one of the most satisfying final steps. First, fill a basin with warm water and a touch of soap. A gentle wool wash works great, and if you prefer, a small amount of fabric softener. Submerge the sweater fully, gently pressing it down so the fibers can soak up the water. Don't agitate or wring, just let the fabric relax. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. This gives the stitches time to bloom, even out, and settle into their natural shape. When it's ready, lift the sweater out carefully, supporting its weight, and gently squeeze out the excess water. Avoid twisting. Lay it flat on a towel, roll it up, and press to remove more moisture. Then transfer the sweater to a blocking mat, gently shaping it to its final measurements. Smooth the edges, straighten the sleeves, and let the fabric rest. If needed, add a few pins to gently refine the shape. Leave it to dry completely and watch how the stitches relax, soften, and come to life. Wet blocking can completely transform how a finished piece looks and feels. Thank you for watching, and wishing you many cozy, well-loved knits ahead.